Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to understand a document using AI. So in the previous videos we have saw text generation, speech generation, image generation using the Google Gemini API. Now in this video we will learn document understanding using the Gemini API. So first of all, go to aistudio.google.com and then go to the documentation section, and here in model capabilities just go to document understanding, and right now we are going to do it using Python. So open up your code editor, and in your code editor make sure you have a PDF file with you. Like, it can be any random PDF file about your like about a app you created, or about it might be any kind of report, or it can be any kind of summary of some topic. So I'm taking a report of an app which I created during an hackathon. So make sure you have some kind of PDF with you, which is an example. And now I'll just create a new Python file called as app.py, and what I'll do is I'll go to this documentation, and I'll just this is the code for a external document where you provide the URL and then the API understands it. But instead we are going to use this code which takes the PDF from a local file for the processing. So you can see you can also read a PDF from a local file for processing. So I'll just copy this code and I'll paste it here, and then we need a API key. So to get the API key, we will again go to Google AI Studio. Then make sure you have a cloud project, Google Cloud project, and once you create a Google Cloud project on the Cloud Console, then click on Create API Key and then generate an API key for that specific Google Cloud project. So I have generated it, Google Gemini Test 2025. So I'll just copy this API key, and then in this GenAI.client API underscore key equals to in strings, the API key will be pasted, and here the file path. So our file path is report.pdf. So I'll just make it as report.pdf, and the model which we are using is Gemini 2.5 Flash. There is also Gemini 2.5 Pro, which is a paid subscription. So if you have the paid subscription, then you can use that model. But right now I don't have the paid subscription. I can only use this Flash version, so I'm using this Flash. So I'll just run this code, and it takes time according to the size of the document. It takes time for the understanding, and then it generates a summary of that document, or tells us what that document is about. So you can see this is what the document is about, and it gives the text in markdown format. So you can see the asterisks and all. So if I copy this content and I'll close it, and if I just make a file called as output.md and paste it here, and if I see the output, you can see, so well-nourished AI is a proposed next generation AI driven health and fitness. So what are the key aspects of it, the key features? So this is everything, like it's the whole summary of that whole documents, and that document is like of 7 pages, but it summarizes it in like 19 to 20 lines of markdown code. So yeah, so this is how it understands the document and then creates a summary and tells us about the document in brief. And you can use this API also for a document which is external. So for that you need a package called as httpx, and if you are doing it with a local file, then you need a pathlib. You can also use it upload PDFs using the file APIs. So like if they are larger than 20 MB, so you can use that. So you can also upload large PDFs locally and with the URL, and you can also pass multiple PDFs if you want to, and you can tell the Gemini to show the difference between these two papers or these two documents, what's the difference between these two. So you can use it for various purposes. So this is how you use the Google Gemini API for document understanding in Python. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, and if you like the content on my channel, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, as I keep uploading such AI related videos. Thanks for watching.